I should have just gone double. That landing is so sketchy.
Absolutely smoked.
I look stupid standing in the side. I can't do the tricks you do like today. My body's not there.
I got bodied, Team Buckhouse. Absolutely smoked.
Oh! Dude.
That was probably like in the top 5 worst snowboard slams I've ever had. I got completely concussed. I'm doing a lot better now, but we're still gonna play super safe. It's been 2 days, even though that video posted yesterday. If you missed it, check it out. Your boy got smacked so hard, but also like I jacked my knee up pretty good. So like when I caught my edge, like pulling your finger, you know what I'm saying? Like my leg got, and so my knee had these really weird feelings. So I've iced and heated it for the last 2 days. Done as much as I can. I picked up a heavy duty knee brace, so we're going robot style, and hopefully the knee holds up. Like I said, we're taking today mellow. We're coming out here, and it's absolutely puking outside, and we're at A Basin because A Basin has a park. I'm so hyped. Park riding, which I said I'm taking it mellow, but I can do mellow park riding. And we'll just have Benton do double backflips in the park today or something to make you guys entertained. But at the end of the day, we're here with backflipping Benton, and I'm just excited to go snowboarding. Taking 2 days off was much needed for the body, but I hate not snowboarding. But enough rambling, enough talking. It's time to go hit some park for the first time. The only park in Colorado right now. Let's go.
All right, guys, let's test the knee out. Man, that park is sick. I absolutely love a good spine, and A Basin made a perfect one. The body is at about 60%, but that's not gonna stop us from having the sickest day. The sun just came out, which like automatically takes the mood up a whole couple notches. And I mean, 2 features in a park, I'm not gonna complain. At least there's 2 features. And then the
12 jumps on the side.
The side hits, yeah, are massive. So let's see how many backflips Benton can get today. That landing is so sketchy. Oh, sick! Starting to get busy. right, guys, so we are 100% riding at 60%, which is okay. We gotta stay off the ground, stay upright. I'm not trying to do like those butters, those presses that I normally do. Not trying to pull on my knees. I got injured, but it's not an injury bad enough that's gonna stop me from riding. It's just, I gotta be aware of it and slowly get my body back to 100%. But you know what is 100% is Neverland in 420 with the Evolution hat, looking so sick. Guys, you can get one of the Evolution hats, the face mask, the stickers, any of our Evolution merch, especially the stickers. You guys have been snagging those like crazy. I think we had like 80 orders of stickers the other day, which was like Bobby, my wife, read them. She was like, I can't keep up with the orders. So keep that happening, guys. Keep ordering stickers. But if you do snag any of the merch, any of the stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, whatever, tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also just follow the Instagram. It's where I post behind the scenes stuff. I kept people posted on the injury prior to the video posting, things like that. So if you want behind the scene content as well as just extra content, follow the Instagram right there, guys. And yeah, we got some more day left. The sun's out, it's shining, snow's great. Let's keep riding at 60%.
I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're
That thing kicks you so high. Grabbing my snowboard right now is hard because I don't want to do too much of the retraction extension that's needed to getting grabs and stuff. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have like a how to grab your snowboard video right here. I talk about like just grabbing your snowboard. So check it out. I have a ton of how-to videos. I'm out of breath.
Me too, man.
How you doing?
It's a rough day.
Have you backflipped yet?
I don't think so.
Have I? Not what he said he was gonna do. I wasn't even in the right spot. I looked stupid standing in the side. I could have filmed that way better.
There was too many people. I got hyped.
Nolan!
What's up?
What I did? So one thing about the A Basin gates, they're kind of set up for goofy riders over regular riders. I like have to go and switch. So just think about that if you're coming to A Basin. So we've been running into so many of you today, like literally probably like 100 of you guys today, which is so sick. We also ran into the boy Nolan. And if you don't know, I met Nolan in Oregon this summer. We were snowboarding and ripping like the sickest Mount Hood. Like it's, I can't explain it, it's a unicorn. But here's one of my favorite days with Nolan. Check that video out right there. Nolan's the man. He literally like saved the summer content when we got out to Oregon, so that was super sick. Benton did a crazy flip thing, rodeo. Was it go rodeo, right?
Switchback rodeo 7.
Yeah, kind of cool.
It's not that cool. It's kind of.
But sadly, guys,
I didn't land it.
he didn't. Well, yeah, he didn't land it. But also, this is Chipmunk. Here we go. We gotta get out of here, and it's been a sick day so far, though. I'm definitely hyped that my knee's not absolutely destroyed. My energy's low, my body's exhausted, but we did it. And we got opening day break tomorrow. And you know we're gonna be out there, crushing it, killing it, making videos. You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I think I'm ready. You ready?
Oh, ready.
Okay, we're ready. I can't tell you how happy I am with today, because like yesterday when I was sitting on the couch and my knee was just burning, I was literally worried that it was a season-ending injury. But to get out here, ride today, not have any, like, it hasn't hurt yet today. but I knew to just not push it also. So I really think we're gonna be okay. That makes me so freaking happy. So make sure you guys smash the like button for my knee not hurting. Likes help the YouTube algorithm, help more people see the video, which if more people see the video, the bigger the channel can get. So subscribe if you're new to the channel as well, because I want to help you become the best snowboarders possible, show you guys conditions, usually cover trick tips. Today, my whole focus was on don't die, test your body, don't die, test your body. But man, what a sick day. Once again, big shout out to Backflipping Benson for backflipping today and holding down the video.
Backflip a day keeps the doctor at bay.
He might be called Backflipping Benson, but your spins today were pretty good, dude.
I do want to try and spin more. I really want to like get that style dialed in. I know I'm not the cleanest rider. I like to send it. So this season I'll be working on some styly stuff.
Style for Mr. Benson. I will say, despite kind of being broke off, it was nice to get into a park. A basin, even when it was 2 features, it was a really well put together park. The rail was nice, slid nice. The spine was incredible. Benson found weird ways to hit it. Like they made a versatile feature for sure, and I'm sure they have other rails sitting to the side. They'll get new rails in a moment. This just looks like they haven't groomed like anything.
Yeah, I feel like it's still all natural snow and everything's ridden out.
Yeah, so it's a little bumpy out there. So if you don't like moguls, maybe give it a week and they'll get some more snow in there and groom it out. The last thing I want to say, Team Buckhouse, if you need any snowboard gear, jackets, hoodies, pants, goggles, gloves, any of it, all of my gear is linked in the description. Check out the Amazon affiliate links. I mean, even if it's just a starting point for you, you could check out what jacket I have and then maybe find a jacket that's similar, anything like that. So all of my gear is linked in the description. And other than that, break tomorrow, opening day. I'm super stoked. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, get out of here. Hey, with that, I didn't even get to thank them for watching. Thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow without this guy. I'm leaving him at home.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes.